Everyone, welcome to Sahoo Education. Dear student, today we will discuss some divisibility rule, that is divisible by 2. So, when a number divisible by 2, we'll learn here. So, we have to remember, if the number have the unit digit like 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it's divisible by 2. So let us write down definition of divisibility by 2. A number having unit digit as 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is divisible by 2. So let us see some example. 3152, 615, 21892, 6, then 8134. This 5 number will take here and see which number is divisible by 2. According to the rule, if the digit end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is divisible by 2. So here in the first number 3152, unit digit is 2, so this is divisible by 2. But second number 615, unit digit is 5, so it's never divisible by 2. Another one we'll see 2,18,926, here unit digit is 6, so this is divisible by 2. Another one 8,134, so unit digit is 4, hence this number is divisible by 2. Similarly, we can know whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. Then we will see even and odd number. So what is even number and what is odd number? If a number is divisible by 2, it's called even number. If the number is not divisible by 2, it's called an odd number. So let us write the definition of even and odd number. So even number, the number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. Example, we'll take some example like 32, 134, 236, 7,138, etc. are even number because they are divisible by 2. Similarly, we will know odd numbers, that is the number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd number. So we'll take some examples of odd number like 351, 705, 8,509, 3, 1, 5, 7, etc. are not divisible by 2 as the unit is contained 1, 5, 9, 7, etc. So these are called odd numbers. This class is over now. For next videos you have to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest notification. Thank you.